Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to undo import here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click on this sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you have imported data into Salesforce, using tools like Data Import Wizard, which is going to be found if you click on the upper right corner, the gear icon, click the setup, and on the quick find, you type in data, and there's going to be the data import or data export. Okay? When you click on it, and you wanted to undo some importing, all right? Make sure that, of course, make a backup data first before you undo the importing. All right. For example, you can schedule report or export the data here right now. If you wanted to include all data like contract, approval, contact. But for now, we're going to include all data just to have a backup before we undo the importing that you have done here on Salesforce. All right. Now, the data is currently in progress for your organization. For example, you want to undo that and you already have the backup. All I have to do is go to the section right here that says Data Loader. Now, click on Mass Delete. You see this option? Since we already have the backup, all right, make sure you have completely back up the data that you have wanted. Now, if you want to undo all of the activity that are done, especially undoing all of the imports, all you have to do is click on these options. Mass delete accounts, you can delete multiple accounts at one time. If you have imported leads, you might want to mass delete leads and deleting multiple leads at one time. If you want to undo deleting on the activities, you can do that as well. So there's a lot of options that you can do. For example, you have imported accounts. If you click on this and if you wanted to undo that, all you have to do is mass delete all of these. There's an option that says delete accounts that are associated with opportunities, and the most important thing to take note is permanently delete the selected records. When this option is selected, you cannot restore deleted records from the recycled bin, so please be careful when selecting this option. That's why earlier I asked you to back up your data first before doing all these mass delete account, because that is one of the best way for you to undo importing here in Salesforce. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.